All right, today we are at 703 North Guthrie. There's an A and a B. We're going to check out B. So this is a full gut rehab. We worked with the customer and did a lot of floor repair, floor joists, but all in all, came out really good. I like the crown around the top here of the cabinets in the kitchen. Backsplash looks real clean. So this will be a rental. Yeah, it looks really good in here. Let's go check out the bathroom back here in the back. All right, so there's a bathroom. Looks real good. In this rental, we just did, tub and tub surround. There's a bedroom back here in the back. Back door, big closet. We do have a laundry here. So this one will come laundry provided. And then another bedroom here. A nice closet.